Ever wanted to make your React Native app more secure with lightning-fast SMS OTP verification? Today, we're diving deep into how Twilio makes this a breeze. This tutorial will guide you step-by-step to integrate secure, SMS-based OTP authentication into your mobile applications, ensuring a robust user experience. First things first, let's set up your Twilio account. You'll need to navigate to the Twilio console. And once logged in, you'll find your account SID and auth token prominently displayed A-circumflex euros. These are your keys to the kingdom for accessing Twilio's powerful services. Make sure to copy these securely, as they'll be used in your application's backend. Next, we need to provision a Twilio phone number that will be used to send and receive verification codes from your Twilio dashboard. Head over to the phone number section and select Buy a Number. You can choose a number based on your desired country and features. This dedicated number ensures your OTPs are sent from a trusted source. Now, let's conceptualize the flow on your React Native app. When a user initiates the verification process, your React Native app will communicate with your backend server. This server will then orchestrate the interaction with Twilio, specifically requesting an OTP to be sent to the user's provided phone number. On your backend, you'll use the Twilio Nodes helper library to programmatically send an SMS message. You'll pass your account SID, auth token, the user's phone number, and a message body that includes a placeholder for the OTP. Twilio handles the actual delivery of the SMS to the user's device. Once the user receives the OTP, they'll typically enter it into a dedicated input field within your React Native app. Your app will then send this entered code back to your backend server. For verification, the backend will again leverage the Twilio API, this time using the Verify service, or by comparing the entered code with a previously generated and stored code. The Twilio Verify API offers a streamlined way to manage OTP generation and verification. You'll configure your verification service in Twilio, and then your backend will use this service to initiate verification requests and check the submitted codes against the generated ones. This ensures a secure and efficient validation process. And just like that, you've implemented robust SMS-based OTP verification in your React Native app using Twilio. This significantly enhances user authentication, providing a secure and seamless experience for your users. Happy coding!